Louis Vuitton Bagatelle Bag V2. A new version of the Louis Vuitton Bagatelle bag has been released. The latest edition is designed with monogram and printy leather with monogram pattern. This mini hobo bag is crafted to be an everyday bag, to carry from midday to midnight. It can be worn on the elbow and even crossbody thanks to the removable strap. A mini hobo bag that hangs close to the shoulder. The Bagatelle BB bag is made from monogram and printy leather with the monogram pattern printed then embossed on the leather. This midday to midnight bag is incredibly versatile. It can be carried as an entrée baguette hobo, worn effortlessly on the elbow, or crossbody with its removable strap.